If you want to disable the MSN newsfeed in Windows 11, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest way to turn it off so your widgets panel looks cleaner and shows less news content. This is a simple fix and it only takes a few clicks. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Windows 11 tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, you need to open the Widgets panel. You can do that by clicking the weather icon on the far left corner of your taskbar. If you don't see that icon, just press Windows key plus W on your keyboard. That shortcut opens Widgets instantly. Once the Widgets panel is open, look toward the upper right corner of the window. You should see a gear icon, which is the settings button. Click that gear icon to open the widget settings menu. Inside the settings area, look for the section labeled Feeds. This is where Windows manages the news and content shown in the widgets feed. Under that section, click on Show or Hide Feeds. This option gives you control over whether the MSN newsfeed appears at all. Now simply turn it off. Once you switch off the feed, the MSN news section should stop showing in your widgets panel. This is the key step if you want to remove news cards, headlines, and other feed content from your Windows 11 experience. After that, you can close the widgets panel and the change should be applied right away. If you ever want the MSN news feedback later, you can follow the same steps and turn it back on. So just to recap, open Widgets with the taskbar icon or Windows key plus W, click the gear icon, go to Feeds, choose Show or Hide Feeds, and turn it off. That's all it takes. If you found this useful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Windows 11 tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.